look at it is, why muddle through trying to learn it on your own when you can come down here and talk to the people that know these programs inside and out.
We really strive to get the customers in touch with the data, and then we try to throw data sets and different workflows at them that they're going to use in the real world.
There's a lot of credibility added to it. They're not just engineers that have tested it in a lab somewhere, but they've actually gone out and scanned.
There's a chemistry that develops when people, no, I went and did this part of a piece of the technology or a workflow. And you're going to bite into that and say, ooh, I want more of that knowledge.
I can tell you we have not been using what we have to its potential. And after this week, I think we're going to be able to turn out a much better end product than what we have been.
It has helped greatly. We've learned a lot, working with TrueView and the registration, especially TrueView. We've learned a lot about its potential and a lot of stuff that we haven't been doing and didn't know we could do. Now we're seeing that we can do that, tagging evidence, creating hot links and stuff like that.
Modeling, got a lot out of the modeling class yesterday, and looking forward to going back and applying some of this stuff to actual work.
You can focus your training and get immediate responses to your specific needs, along with learning how it's being used for other people's applications, and then in turn you see some advantages for what you're doing, or maybe change some of the things that you're doing.
Every time I've come, I learned something new. Even if I've had a class before, there's something that I did pick up that I didn't get the first year.
The students are engaged. It's been a really great experience.
I would definitely recommend this because you'll get a lot more out of it as far as the potential of all the software.